Hey everybody, Chevy, Nobody Else's Auto. Bringing you some more new inventory tonight. Last week, went and picked up this 1963 Impala out of a field. Been sitting there for a really, really long time. I don't know how long it's been sitting there, but I know it was sunk in pretty good when I tried to pull it up out of the dirt and get it on the trailer. So it is just a basic four-door sedan, but at least it is an Impala. So it does have the extra trim on it and things like that, since it was a little bit fancier one. It does have the Chevrolet bow tie mirror on it. And a lot of good stuff on this car. You know, some of the side moldings are dinged up, but you know, this stuff is tough to find. 1 year only. There's a lot of really nice old four-door cruisers out there that these parts are getting really tough to find. Especially if you want to dress up a Bel Air or something, you want to put the Impala trim on it. This car does still have it. We come on around the back. We see this being an Impala. It's got the 6 taillights across the back with the brushed aluminum panel. These were a really, really sharp car back in the day. We kind of come around this side, kind of the same thing, other than we're missing a door, but at least we can take a good look on the inside. We've got most of the trim over here also, except for the door that we're missing. But we can kind of come up here and take a look inside the car. We can see the lack of floor pan. You can see how long this car's been sitting. But all the dash is still in it, still got the factory radio in it. It was an automatic car. Still a lot of pieces left on this. And like I said, being an Impala, at least it does have some of the other fancier trim also. We'll head up here, come around the front, take a look up here. Nose is pretty much all here, except for the fact somebody got the headlights out of it. Probably needed them for something else back in the day. It was a working set of headlights, took them out, probably put them in an old truck or whatever they happened to need them for at that point in time. The hood's kind of stuck on this. We can kind of get it part way up, kind of put it under here. When you take a look under here, we can see it does have just a regular little small block Chevy in it. One thing it does have though, is it does have factory power steering, which is kind of a rare option on one of these, something you don't see every day. So overall, pretty much real basic run-of-the-mill 63 Chevy. However, even finding these today is getting tough, especially an Impala. Find some Bel Airs, some Biscaynes from time to time, but finding an Impala is getting really tough, especially with all the extra trim on it. So, and you know, having factory power steering is a nice addition as well. So, thought we'd show you this one tonight, give you a quick walk around and check it out. I got a couple more 63 Chevys coming in, but they are Bel Airs, so they don't have the trim on them like this Impala does. But like I said, you can always use the trim to dress up a Bel Air, or there's a lot of nice old cruisers out there that may need a piece of trim. This is where we're going to have to get it. The four-door stuff, they're not going to reproduce it. There's not as much of it out there, but they're great looking old cars. These 63s had great lines, and they're really popular. So this car still has a lot left to give, so we definitely had to bring it in and save it. So we'll get her put in the row, and it'll be there anytime anybody needs something off of it. So anyway, that's what we've got for you tonight. Just a little more new inventory, tons of stuff coming in. Literally had to drive around and make a list today of the new inventory that's been coming in over the last couple weeks, so I don't miss anything. I've got so much stuff I've got to get video shot on. It's getting tough to squeeze them all in, but I made my list so we won't forget something. So we've got lots more cool stuff coming over the next several weeks. So anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. If you're on Facebook, please share the video with your friends. Invite them to come over, give the page a like so you can hang out with us. Just keep up with what we've got going on. If you're on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel. Check out all my other videos. You like old cars, you like trucks, you like automobilia. That's all we do on here. Cars, trucks, toys, gas and oil, all that stuff. That's what we love. That's what we know. So that's what we do on here. So if you have specific questions about vehicles or parts, the only way to get a hold of me is call me. 620-786-4428. That number's on the page. Having that short conversation about your project or the project that you're looking for. Year, make, model, body style, direction you want to go with your build. All that stuff is information I need to know if I may have something here that might help you out. We've got about 1,500 cars or close to 1,500 cars and trucks on the ground right now. So we've got an extensive inventory, but all that information from you is critical for me to know if I've got something that can help you out with. So anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. Really appreciate you taking a few minutes out of your day to hang out with me, check out what we've got going on, and we'll hope to see you soon on the next video.